Most of my airtime now is portable. And one of the antennas that I use is the popular JPC 12 portable vertical. They're inexpensive. They work 40 through 10 meters. And there's also the JPC 350, which will work 80 meters. I live right across the street from a large city-owned park here in Central Florida. So I've been wanting a stand to hold the antenna up. Well, why not just use the metal spike that comes with these JPC antennas and, stick it in the ground, which is what I do when I'm at the beach. Because in this park, you're not allowed to stick anything into the ground, nor are you allowed to use the trees for anything, which rules out wire antennas. So I've been looking around for a tripod, but never really found anything that I knew would work, and they're expensive. So being a cheap ham, I made my own antenna stand in just a few minutes for about $20, and it works fine. Get 4 of these 3/4 inch PVC tubes and cut them so they're 2 feet long. Now, at Home Depot, you can already get these pre-cut. So you can make this without doing any sawing at all. Then when you're at Home Depot or whatever store you choose, get one of these adapters, this 4-way 3/4 inch PVC plumbing adapter. And then you drill a hole there right in the middle. All right, next I went to True Value Hardware store. I just could not believe how many different types of bolts that they had there. And I got one of these. This is a 10 millimeter coarse thread bolt, which is 50 millimeters long, same thing as 2 inches. Make sure it is coarse threads, not fine or medium, or it's not going to fit. Well, then the rest of it's so easy. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. You just put the bolt right out through this PVC 4-way adapter. Then the bottom portion of the antenna screws right on top, right into the bolt. Then you take your 4 PVC tubes and put them in. You got yourself a nice, stable, portable vertical antenna support, which comes apart very easily. So there you go, a cheap DIY portable vertical antenna mount. And I wasn't a credit card ham. I actually made it myself. Consider subscribing to this channel. Ring the bell for updates in 73.